Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on to make beautiful flower. I have different color here. This is really easy to make and this is really fast. Let's get started. First we are going to start with make a slip knot, and I'm going to make 5 chains. Then we are going to make a loop, then start by making 3 chains. After that, on that loop we are going to make 15 double crochet. Always we are going to hide the yarn between double crochet. In total we have to have 16 double crochet. These 3 chains considered as one, and we have to make 15 more. At the end we have to have 16. I'll be back when I'm ready. Now I have 16 double crochet. We have to just make a slip stitch, and we are going row 2, start by chain 9. Now we are going to make double crochet in the 3rd chain from the here. 1 2 3. I insert my hook here and I make 1 double crochet. After that we are going to make 1 double crochet exactly at the same stitch, but we have to grab that loop here and then make 1 double crochet. We are going to skip 1, and then the next one we make 1 double crochet. This time we are going to chain 7. Now we are going to make double crochet here, and then we are going to make another double crochet exactly at the same stitch. And we repeat that one. We skip 1 for the next one. We make first 1 double crochet, then make 7 chain. We are going to make double crochet here, and 1 more double crochet at the same stitch. If you look at here, your pattern should look like that. We are going to keep continue until we have 8 of this loop. I'll be back when I'm ready. As you can see, I have 8 loop in row 2. Now we are going to start row 3 by make a slip stitch that chain. Now we are going to start to make this pattern. What we can do, if you look at here, I have a V shape. We are going to make 4 double crochet in that one, and that one. But we are going to leave that one at the back. We start from here. If you look at this one, I'm going to make single crochet, 2 chain, and start to make 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you don't take the chain at the back. Now we are going to, in this V shape, we are going to start to make 4 double crochet on that one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you look at here, now we have to make 4 double crochet here. I'm going to turn the chain like that, then start to make 4 double crochet. 4 here. Now we go back to the chain we have at the back and start to make 14 double crochet on that chain. Twelve, 13, and 14. When I make 14, just we have to come the space between 2 loops, and then here insert your hook and just make slip stitch like that. The first pattern create. Now we are going to repeat again. Now we are in the second loop. We're going to take that one back and start from here to make we are going to make a single crochet, 1 chain, and then start to make 4 double crochet. One more. Now we are going to make 4 in that stitch. Now it's time to make 4 in the other stitch. Now we go to the back side and make 14 double crochet on that chain. 13 and 14, and then again between the space between loop I'm going to insert a hook here and just make a slip stitch. So now you have the second one. We are going to repeat the pattern all around these loops and I'll be back. As you can see here, I did all of 8 loops. Now I'm going to have a slip stitch in the last space. Then I'm going to make a finish the work like that. Always make sure you hide the yarn at the back. Maybe it's better to use smaller size of hook. Now we make this beautiful flower, and it's up to you if you want to use different color. As you can see, I already made different color here. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you like it, please share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you and have a good day.